So 9 through 12. Again, we're back here with a graph. And so we can see 8 on the graph, but we can't see negative 10. So we'll have to come up with an equation for that one. 0, negative 2. Obviously lands on the graph, so that's going to satisfy the function. Negative 2, 0 also lands on the graph, so that one satisfies the function. And then negative 5, 3 also lands on the graph, so that one also satisfies the function. We could just extend this graph out a little bit if we wanted to see if it's going to work. Or we could write an equation. Let's go ahead and write the equation though, just because that's the more accurate thing to do. So our equation is going to look like we are going to be going down 2 and to the right 2. So slope negative 2 over 2 or negative 1. And our y-intercept is negative 2. So we've got y equals negative 1x minus 2. So we'll test our points. Again, we have x here and y here. So negative 10 is equal to negative 1 times 8 minus 2. And negative 10 equals negative 8 minus 2. So negative 10 is equal to negative 10. So yes, A satisfies the function. All 4 of them this time. So I'll pause there for a moment and then go on to 10. So 10, we have negative 1, 6. And obviously that's going to be way up here somewhere, so nope. That's never going to land on the line. Negative 6, negative 9, we can't see. Negative 3, negative 4. Point C is on the line. And negative 2, positive 3. Point D is not on the line, so it's out. So for B, we need to come up with an equation. And so our equation is going to look like our slope is going to be up 1 to the right 3. So slope is 1/3. Our y-intercept is negative 3. So y is equal to slope is 1/3 x minus 3. And so our y value is negative 9. And we've got 1/3 times x is negative 6 minus 3. So negative 9 is equal to negative 6 over 3 minus 3. Negative 9 is equal to negative 2 minus 3. And so no, negative 9 is not equal to negative 5. So negative 6, negative 9 is not going to be something that satisfies that function. Okay, I'll leave it there in case we need to take notes, and I'll be on to number 11 and 12. So 11, we're going to have to come up with an equation and test it. Unless we can test some of these values in the table, it looks like the only one that I see that's in the table is 2, 0, number or D. And so here I've got a 2 for the x value, here I've got a 2 for the x value. 0 and 8 are not the same. So D is going to be out. The rest, it looks like I'm going to have to test them. So let's take a look at find our slope here. So that's a change of 6, change of 6, change of 6 all the way down, change of 2. So our slope is going to be 6 over 2 or 3. And our y-intercept is 2 because we have 0 paired with 2. So let's go ahead and test A. Our equation is y equals 3x plus 2. So our first point is negative 22 as our y value. 3 times negative 8 plus 2. So negative 22 is equal to negative 24 plus 2. Negative 22 is equal to negative 22. Yes, A satisfies the function. We'll have a look at B. Again, we've got y equals 3x plus 2. So 20 is equal to 3 times 8 plus 2. I don't think this one's going to work. 24 plus 2. 20 is not the same as 26. So B is out. And C is our last one to test. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. Negative 1 is equal to 3 times negative 1 plus 2. We've got negative 1 equals negative 3 plus 2. Negative 1 is equal to negative 1. So yes, C satisfies the function. Okay, I'll pause there and move on to number 12 after that. So there we go. All right, first step is going to be to look through the points and see if there's anything in the table that we can keep or throw out. So here I've got 0, 1. Here I've got 0, negative 2. Those do not match, so that's out. Negative 6 and negative 14, neither of them are in the thing. Neither is 5 or 8. Neither is 3 or 6. So it looks like we're going to have to test B, C, and D. So on our right side here, we are increasing by 2. On our left side, we are increasing by 1. So our slope is 2 over 1, or 2. And our y-intercept is negative 2. So we've got y equals 2x, and our y-intercept is negative 2, so minus 2. So our first y value is negative 14 equals 2 times negative 6 minus 2. I think this one's going to work. So negative 14 equals negative 12 minus 2. Negative 14 equals negative 14. And so yes, B satisfies the function. Oh, and I mismarked that one, didn't I? I put it as A, so fix that. And so our next one to test is C. Y equals 2x minus 2. And for C, we will have 8 is equal to 2 times 5 minus 2. 8 equals 10 minus 2. 8 equals 8. And so yes, C satisfies the function. Lastly, D, we've got y equals 2x minus 2. So 6 is equal to 2 times 3 minus 2. And this one is not going to work, I don't think. So 6 equals 6 minus 2. Nope, 6 is not equal to 4. So D does not satisfy the function. And I'll leave these here if you need notes. And that's it for this video.